Hi guys, today I am going to discuss about algebra. From historical timeline, the word algebra is taken from the Arabic word al-jabar, which means restoration. Algebra as a subject itself actually comes from the title of Muhammad ibn Musa al-Khwarizmi's greatest work, Algebra wal Mughebala. The aforementioned comprehensive and significant work by al-Khwarizmi, Arab mathematician, was partly influenced by predecessor, the Hindus and the Greeks. Early mathematicians systemized this field algebra as the science of restoration, completion, reduction, or balancing. The term balancing refers to transposing the numbers in either sides of the equal sign, adding the same quantity of either side, subtracting it, multiplying, or dividing it. So we have here the definition of algebra is the branch of mathematics which deals with the study of formal manipulation of equations involving symbols and numbers. Algebra is the branch of mathematics in which symbols, usually letters, represents a known number in mathematical equation. One of the earliest mathematical concepts was to represent number by symbol and to represent rules for manipulating numbers in symbolic form as equation. So guys, every day of our life we use algebra. We use it on our daily life. We use it in solving simple or complex problem in our daily life. The number of its classification. A number is an entity describing the quantity of position of mathematics object or extension of this concept. In general, numbers can be classified as either cardinal or ordinal. So look at this. What is cardinal? Cardinal describes the size of quantity of collection of object in physics. These are the used to describe the magnitude of any physical measurable quantity. Example 1, 2, 3, and so on up to infinity. So that is cardinal. Described as the size or quantity of the object. What is ordinal? Ordinal numbers refer to the position relative to an ordering. These are actually used to describe the order or arrangement such as first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and so on. So, okay guys, the difference between cardinal and ordinal. The cardinal is the size and quantity of the object, and ordinal is the position of or the ordering of the object. Numerals and timelines. Numerals are signs of symbols of graphic representation of the numbers. The Arabic, the ancient, uh, the ancient Greek numerals. There were two parallel systems of the numeral used in ancient Greek. The earlier of these was based on the initial letters of the name of the number. For example, we have this 5. Initial is phi, pi. 10 is delta. It is from ancient Greeks. Number pi, delta, h, chi, and mu. So 100 is h, 1000 is chi, 10,000 is mu. So I don't know the symbol. The later system, which was first introduced about the 3rd century BC, employed in the letter of the Greek alphabet plus 3 letters borrowed from the Phoenician alphabet as number symbol. The first 9 letters of the alphabet were used for the number 1 to 9. The second 9 letters were tens from 10 to 90. The last 9 letters were hundreds from 100 to 900. So there is other form of numerals, Roman numerals. So we see in our ancient clocks or present clocks, there is a symbol IBXLCDM. So this is the Roman numeral. If we converted to the Hindu Arabic, this is the Hindu Arabic numeral. I is equal to 1, B is equal to 5, X is equal to 10, L is equal to 50, and C is 100, D is 500, and M is 1000. So we have an example here. Look at this. MCMXCIB. So M represent 1000. Of course, C and M is C and M represent this M 1000 minus the C 100. So we got 900 here. And then the next thing is XC. C is higher than X. X represents 10. C is 100. Now we are going to subtract C from X. 100 minus 10, we get 90. And then I is equal to 1 and B is equal to 5. So we're going to subtract 5 minus 1 equals to 4. Overall, we add everything in here. So 1000 plus 900 plus 90 plus 4. We get 1994. So, okay class. Another one is the Arabic numerals. The numbers notation which is commonly used in most parts of the world today is Arabic system. That is, this is the Arabic numerals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, the Hindus were the first to develop the system. Was used in India in 3rd century BC. The Hindu numeral system was probably introduced into the Arab world about 7th or 8th century AD and believed to be modified and called Hindu-Arabic numerals. The first recorded use of the system was in 976 AD in Europe. So this is it. Hindu-Arabic numerals are to be written in digit form such as 0, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. So now we're going to discuss the number system. Okay. The number system is a tree diagram showing the classification of number. So all the numbers, if we combine the real numbers and imaginary numbers, this is the complex numbers, meaning the constant A plus constant B times I. This is the imaginary. Imaginary when for example we calculate this one, the negative 1. Negative 1 is equal to I, so that is imaginary. Since when we calculate this in the calculator, we see error. we can we can uh, we can simplify this. We can simplify this since we are supposed to simplify this by giving the imaginary symbol. For example, we have square root of negative 16. It is equal to, since the square root of 16 is equal to 4, the negative will become the imaginary. So now guys, there is two type of complex number: the real numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc., and the imaginary, this one, I, is equal to the negative 1. For real number, there are two different types: the irrational numbers and rational numbers. Rational means can be divided, and the rational cannot be divided. So for example, we have here, it's blurred enough, the pi, which is equal to 3.1416. The e, the pi, that is the constant of circle, the e, and the square root of 2, that is irrational. Rational, this is the rational. So the numerator over denominator, that is rational, provided that the numerator is not equal to 0. For rational numbers, there is two types: the integers and non-integers. So what is integers? We have here, this is the integer, negative 1, negative 2, and so on. That is the negative integer number, then middle by 0, then we have here positive number, positive 1, positive 2, and so on. For non-integers, there is a terminating and infinitely repeating decimals. For example, 0.99999. This is the repeating decimals, infinitely repeating. So for positive number, there is a prime in the composite number. So what is prime number? What is prime number? Prime number, I forgot the prime number. This is it. Prime numbers can be divided. So okay guys, the time is up. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.